Example 2 is on page 245. It says solve the systems of equations algebraically. Y equals 3x plus 8 and 8x plus 4y equals 12. Remember that the equal sign means equivalent to. That means y is equivalent to 3x plus 8. Y is the same as 3x plus 8. So what that means is I'm going to replace the y in the second equation with 3x plus 8 because y is equivalent to 3x plus 8. That means my second equation now becomes 8x plus 4 times 3x plus 8 equals 12. It was 4 times y, but y is the same thing as 3x plus 8. I'm going to take my 4 and I'm going to distribute it in. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 8 is 32. Just like I did in chapter 2, I'm going to put my like terms together. 8x and 12x is 20x. 20x plus 32 equals 12. I'm going to draw my line and circle my 20x. Can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of positive 32 is negative 32. 20x equals negative 20. Divide by 20, and x equals negative 1. I am then going to take my negative 1 and I'm going to go all the way back to this top equation that said y equals 3x plus 8, and I'm going to plug in negative 1 for x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 8 is 5. That means my final answer is the ordered pair, negative 1, 5. I want you to pause the video and work on letter C. Letter C says y equals 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 4y equals 26. Again, y is equivalent to 2x plus 1. So I'm going to take my 2x plus 1 and I'm going to plug it in where I see my y. So my second equation now becomes 3x plus 4 times 2x plus 1 equals 26. I'm going to take my 4 and I'm going to distribute it in. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 1 is 4 equals 26. Put my 3x and my 8x together and I get 11x plus 4 equals 26. Circle my 11x, can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. 26 minus 4 is 22. Divide by 11, and x equals 2. I'm going to take my x equals 2, and I'm going to go back to my y equals equation, and I'm going to plug in 2 for x. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That means my final answer is the ordered pair, 2, 5. Pause the video and work on letter D. Letter D says 2x plus 5y equals 44 and y equals 6x minus 4. Again, y is equivalent to 6x minus 4. So I'm going to take my 6x minus 4 and I'm going to plug it in where I see my y. So my first equation now becomes 2x plus 5 times 6x minus 4 equals 44. I'm going to take my 5 and distribute it in. 5 times 6x is 30x. 5 times 4 is 20 equals 44. Put my 2x and my 30x together to get 32x minus 20 equals 44. Circle my 32x, can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of minus 20 is plus 20. 44 plus 20 is 64. Divide by 32, and x equals 2. I'm going to take my x equals 2 and I'm going to plug it into my y equals equation. 6 times 2 minus 4. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, so y equals 8. That gives me the final answer of the ordered pair, 2, 8.